it's your girl Chris, and I'm back with another tutorial, a quick one, might I add. I'm going to be showing you all how I manage these boho goddess crochet braids. Just going to be using two simple steps. Well, two and a half. I'll show you the half in a minute. But the two products that I'm using are some mousse and some argan oil. Of course, if you've been watching videos before, you know that me and that Rest Thermal Serum Argan Oil, we go together real bad. When I say real bad, real bad. I use that stuff on everything. I use it when I blow dry my hair. I use it to help detangle my hair. I use it even when I'm doing twist outs because it just makes my hair feel like butter. So I thought, why not use a little bit on this crochet and see what it does? And I tell y'all, it was no different. Y'all, this is my half. I tried that brush, but the brush just really didn't work for me. It created more of a frizzy thing that I wasn't really going for, so I stopped. I went ahead and put the argan oil in, and it detangled beautifully. Now I'm going in with the TGIN mousse, and I love this mousse. Also, guys, please know that you can get these products from Marshalls. They always have them, of course, for an affordable price. Like that Rust Thermal Serum on Amazon is expensive. I love Amazon, but Amazon high. And I would rather buy that same little bottle for $9 as opposed to on Amazon for like 30. Go get it if you want to try it. So I went ahead and put those in, and you can already see a difference on that right side. It almost looks like I wet it, and it looks really good. So now I'm just going in to do the other half of my half because I split my hair in half and then I split that half in half. So I worked with very big sections. One, because it's crochet, I don't really expect this to last as long as I plan to keep it in. I only had it in at the time for about 4 weeks. I don't know about y'all, but that is my minimum. Like, I don't see how y'all girls do it out here when y'all be talking about, I done had a sew in my hair for 6 months. Girl, wash your hair. For real. Please wash your hair. That stuff do not make your hair grow. All it does is stunt your hair growth. Wash your hair, ladies. Listen to your stylist. As you can see, I'm finished on that side and it looks beautiful. Like it looks like I wet it, giving me the water wave effect. Stiff well, right over there. Look like a scarecrow. No stiffness over there, stiffness everywhere. So we're gonna whip this scarecrow right here into shape. So doing the same thing, taking a half of my half, really big sections. One thing that I hate that I did not share with you guys in this video is how I maintain it when I sleep. I hate that I didn't record that. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like this particular month, it was life was life, and I was just like, look, do the video. It took me a while to even post this, video. So yeah, it's been sitting in the archives for a minute. But I'll be sure to show you guys a video of how I maintain crochet hair at night, especially curly crochet, because that can be a different breed. You know, honestly, just like curly hair wigs, like human curly hair, like you gotta make sure you take care of it, or you're gonna be out here looking a mess. So I'll be sure to post a video for that for you all. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be soon. You can tell by my face I'm a little irritated. It was a rough week, y'all. Like, but I said I'm gonna get it done, and eventually I posted it, and here we are now. Boom. So I'm on my last section. The front, the front parts of my hair, they weren't as bad as the back, and obviously that's because we do a lot. Like the back of our hair, we wear jackets, we sit in our seats with our hair, on our backs, our purses, whatever. So the back takes a beating. So of course that was more tangled, but even then, with using these two products, that Rust Summer Serum, y'all, it works wonders. And I love this particular mousse because it's not cakey, it's not sticky. Like when I get done using it, I don't feel like if I brush my hair, get something, it's gonna be something gonna be stuck to it. And here's the final look, you guys. You can see the shine. It's so beautiful, very flowy. I love it so much. I'm gonna show you the back real quick, and pretty consistent with the front. Looks good. Let me know in the comments what you guys use to maintain your crochet hair, especially your curly hair or curly hair in general. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. And until next time, deuce.